Welcome back to Endangered Species Spotlight. This week we are talking about the Speartooth Shark. The Speartooth Shark is a very, very rare species of river shark that is found in areas of Australia and Papua New Guinea. So it is a river shark, so it is found almost entirely in different rivers, and it's one of the few sharks that's actually adapted to living in both fresh and salt water. Although I'm pretty sure it prefers fresh, it can live in salt water as well. It mainly eats small fish and aquatic invertebrates such as crabs and prawns, and it poses no danger to humans at all. There's never been any record of an attack. The max recorded length of one of these sharks is about 5 feet. And it's estimated it can grow a bit larger than that, just no specimens have been observed larger than that, which is a decent size for a fish, but also, in terms of shark, it's not that big. So these guys are incredibly unlikely to cause any problems to humans. Additionally, they're also very, very shy, as well as being very, very rare, so in the unlikely event that you actually run into one of these, it's not gonna hurt you. The current population estimate is about 2,500 individuals, which is not very many, not a great population size to have. Kind of the main threats to these include habitat loss and degradation due to pollution and agriculture, and a lot of it is due to mining, where toxic byproducts are just released into the water that the sharks live, and the sharks don't like that very much. Another unfortunate threat to them is bycatch. So bycatch is when fishermen and fishing companies and stuff catch things that they don't really want to. So most of the time, sharks and things like dolphins and sea turtles are killed by bycatch, which they're not the main target of fishing, but they get caught up in the nets anyway, and they usually die. So while these sharks are not intentionally caught for food or fishing or anything, they're often accidentally caught, and by the time they're discovered, it's usually too late for the shark, so it ends up dying, which decreases the population, which is not good. So unfortunately, as of right now, that I could find at least, there aren't any, official conservation efforts beyond the government being hey, careful when you're fishing, don't catch these guys, just release them if you do accidentally catch them. But there's no actual conservation efforts, and there's no, habitat protection for these sharks, which is not great for them, considering they are one of the rarest sharks in the world. So, as far as I could find, there isn't really any conservation, which kind of sucks, but hopefully there will be in the future as people are hey, maybe this shark should be a bit more protected.